My name is Emmanuel Cisneros. I'm with my cousin Josh. Some of these, I just got one. The one that I brought, but we'll go in order. Let's do it this way. So the one I brought in, and we were going to do earlier, but I'll slip my mind, but we'll go ahead and do it again. We can do it now. And don't look at it. It's not a cuss word, but it stands for French Connection, United Kingdom. Number 3. There's a box to come in there. Again, we're just going by based on our noses. We got no what's in it. We got no notes. What's in it. It's funny, fragrance is pretty all you. That coffee scent here in our noses. And that's what the bottle looks like. Black, plastic. The bottle inside of it. Cover the outside of the plastic. The atomizers on top, right here. There's the button that pushes it. You gotta be careful with this one. A little mist. Not too strong, not too light. It smells very similar to something I've smelled in the past. I just can't put my finger on it right now. I saw this on the guy that he does a lot of in person. So I copped it. For like $14.
It smells similar to something I've smelled in the past, an older fragrance. I can't put a finger on it right now.
Like lemony?
But yeah, there's a little lemony to it. Very faint hint of muskiness to me. But again, like I said, it's very in between. Not light, but not strong. Earthy scent.
I see it. Like a dirty scent?
Yeah.
Dirty. So you so wearing some of this?
It's not really my preference.
Yeah.
But again, going back to what I said about a couple other fragrances, I probably could see myself wearing it. Maybe like what they call the dummy reach, or maybe to work, or something like that. Probably not purchasing it myself, but if it was, a gift, I definitely wear it for sure. It's something like I said, you just kind of go on daily basis, just a little smell good or whatnot.
See, I had mixed feelings when I got this. I tried it on my wife. She smelled it. She didn't like it. She didn't like it at all. And I got mixed feelings for it. See myself wearing it, but not really. Also,
I wouldn't wear it to a special occasion.
Yeah.
Let's say that.
Yeah.
If I wanted to be complimented, I don't think this is something I would reach.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Put it in that way.
Again, this is our opinion.
Right.
And like I said, like you were talking about, it's nothing that I think you would really get compliments. Like I was talking about, he sees some get compliments. I really don't see it. But again, it's based on our first impression. Again, we're talking about FCUK, French Connection, United Kingdom. Number 3.
Not the bad word.
Not the bad word. Not the bad word. A lot of people talk about, this cuss word. My wife ain't cussing. Means something. Alright, one of them that I've never smelled, he has in his collection. It's Joop, you said? Joop Night Flight. This is my first time smelling this. I never smelled this before.
And I won't speak too much on it because I wanted him to get his taste on it. That's like one of my favorite ones. That's something that I've repeatedly went out and just, one of those must-have to me.
Yeah.
In a collection or just in something to smell good. I like to use that special occasions when I want to get compliments because it smells real good. And I'll let him kind of go into detail for his to me, that's one of my favorites.
Okay.
So I don't want to, influence anybody by trying to brag on it too much.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. That's interesting. Real, is it bright? Got like a blue scent, like sort of like in that white scent. I can see it wearing like going out somewhere with wine, out of the evening, enjoying good company, hanging out with some friends. Where'd you get this at?
I actually got that at a fragrance store here. I couldn't find it anywhere. Everywhere I've looked, I could not find it, and I happened to go into a fragrance store here at our local mall, and they had it. It was her last bottle. She said it was a big hit, a big seller, and it's something that it's been out for a while.
So it's an older.
It's an older fragrance. Most people are probably used to seeing the original Joop, which is a pink bottle, and I think they just recently brought out another Joop. But yeah, I went in there, and because it was the only bottle she had and the last bottle she had, I pretty much bit the bullet, and I paid like $75 for it.
Really?
Yeah. And so to me, it was just something that I've had in the past. It was something that I've always got complimented on every time I wear it. You don't really find too many people wearing it, so it's kind of one of those unique fragrances. To me, it was just a must-have all over again. I definitely like to wear that on special occasions. Like I said, I always get complimented every time I wear that. And even I feel like, again, not trying to be too much on it and influencing too much, but just smelling it right now doesn't really do it justice, because as it fades away, it dries down, but it smells even better.
Really?
Yeah. And so it's just a very nice smell to me. Very light, very crisp. Somewhat fruitiness, a hint of fruitiness at the very end, but very fresh.
Yeah, fresh. I can smell it. Fresh.
For sure. But this is definitely something you can wear. Like I said, when you got that special date, or date night, or you want to stand out and put on your best outfit. I would say that's something you definitely put on, and definitely put compliment for sure.
I can see myself, when you just smell it, and just to give you an idea, if you're out at the beach, walking around, you feel that breeze, that's why I feel it. I feel like it's like so many people are on vacation, real beautiful scent. And again, this is my first time even seeing this Joop knife, like, and the original, it's alright. I'm not a big fan or people, the original, but this one, man, if I see this.
And another thing with the pink one that turned me on to that one, because I've also had that one, and I might still have it somewhere in my small collection. What really turned me on to it was back when I was in school. I don't know if you remember me telling you this, that one of my coaches had it. And when we're out there, he was sweating, we're all sweating, hitting the pads. That smell, it almost seemed like the smell enhanced, being on you after you're out there sweating. And that turned me on to it, because when you first spray it, it is a little strong and an aggressive smell, but as it fades away, it smells real good. And again, it might not be for everybody, which the original Joop is not typically what I go for. But like I said, what turned me on to it was after it fades away, after you warm it, maybe 30, 45 minutes, that after smell that carries on is what turned me on to it. And this is the same way. Like I said, once it fades away, man, it smells even better. So like I said, that first initial sprays doesn't even do it justice. But definitely a keeper, yeah, that you would definitely want to smell good, make a good first impression. Get your best outfit, going on that first date, and you definitely want to impress somebody. Yeah, for sure. I can see it. You can definitely grab that, and I promise you, you'll get this compliment.
you see this, man, y'all let your boy know. I'm gonna start looking for it. Let me know in your comments if you see something, you see it somewhere from the Waco area. Let me know. All right, the next one we're gonna talk about. He turned me on to this. We were out at a drug emporium, and he was looking. We were talking about fragrances. He goes, "Man, you ever smelled that Swiss Army knife? I mean Swiss Army. Swiss Army classic. It's called Victorianess. I had never smelled it before. I remember hearing about it. Swiss Army, and sprayed it. A lady tested. She gave me a test strip, and I like it. I really did. It's a bottle like this. Plastic, glass. It's a cheapie. Hey, what? $20
Maybe 25 at the most.
Yeah, 25 at the most.
And again, it's just it's a local store that very, very affordable, high-end fragrances, and it's more or less because they sell them out of the box. Yeah,
tester.
Yeah, like testers. But you're getting the same thing, same high-end quality, box at times. But at times, you will still get them with the box and still get a good price on it. And it's kind of a hidden gem here and
Yeah, it is.
So a lot of people don't really know about it. They've been around forever. Very small store. It's actually like a health food drugstore.
Yeah.
And in the very end, they have a fragrance.
Yeah. And again, and my wife's real picky on my colognes. And she, when I sprayed it the other day, what are you wearing? I said, Josh told me that smells real good. And again, it's real fresh. Like a green scent. Real crisp, like I say, summery scent. Spring,
fresh, clean, soapy.
Yep.
I always got a lot of compliments on this. And at times, some people even thought it was like, "Hey, what soap are you, using?
Yeah.
Or what soap are you wearing? Using to your clothes or showering." And again, it's not to say you smell cheap, but just real fresh and clean. And I don't want to put too much on it again because these are, this is describes maybe more my scent, my fragrance that I like to be real light, fresh type of scents. So, again, I'm trying to influence you, but for those who have smelled it, you definitely will know what I'm talking about when you smell this Swiss Army. And again, special occasions, spring, summertime. I mean, again, still that it's been out forever, but every time I wear it, it's still a lot of compliments because I feel like a lot of these older fragrances, people forget how well they smell. And a lot of these newer ones have hints of these older ones. And so, I mean, man, to me, it's just a winner. It's always a must grab. Every time I run out, I go and grab another bottle, and I just keep it stocked. Because, like I said, you can't go wrong with Swiss Army. But again, that's just my opinion, my fragrance, my preference.
And again, if you see this, zoom in a little bit better. Man, you gotta cop this. Honestly, this I promise you, you'll like it. You'll like it. Again, if you like that soapy, clean, who don't like it? Smelling good. Everybody likes smelling good. And again, this makes you feel good. It's just you're clean. You're presentable. People are
Very fresh.
And the last one we're gonna do, I know a lot of people have seen this. I've been trying to cop this for a while too myself. There's been times where I've seen it cheap, it's a good one. As Versace, which is I'm not sure. I know it's the Versace Fresh.
I'm not sure. And the only reason I'm not very sure on it is only because it was actually a gift. And so I had never really heard of it, to be honest with you guys. I was just told, hey, it's, I'm gonna, what kind of fragrances did I like and what was I into? And so a very good friend of mine said, she said, hey, well, I want to give you, a cologne, but I don't know what your fragrance is. And as best as I could describe it, she said, you know what? This is one of my top sellers. It's recently come out. And so she gifted me this Versace, and man, I mean, from the first time I smelled it, I felt, I mean, man, it's another must grab.
It's Versace Pearl.
Yeah, and it's not very affordable. So it's definitely one of those, you know, special occasion type colognes for sure. As you can see, the bottle's pretty low. My teenage son loves to wear it. I love to wear it. But I mean, man, you just can't go wrong with this. Like I said, if you again another, you know, best outfit, best Sunday, you know, suit or whatever, and you throw this on, man, I guarantee you compliments every time I wear it.
Compliment gift.
And it's just a must-have on top of that. And yes, it's very or how you would say, not affordable. But if you want something that, you know, that's real good, that's, you know, very recent, this would be definitely something you would want to purchase. Again, I was fortunate that a very good friend of mine, of the family, gifted it to me because I don't think I could see myself paying. I think it's like $100 or so for the bottle.
I've seen the Drug Emporium. I think it's like 50, but I think it's for a 2.5.
Yeah, and I think this size bottle, I think I've seen them anywhere from 80 to 100 plus. And so I personally, you know, like I said, you know, would have had a hard time, you know, purchasing it just because I didn't know the fragrance, which going back to like the Unite flight, I only coughed up to 75 because I had, you know, had that fragrance in the past. But definitely this one would be something I probably would purchase again, knowing that what it smells like now and actually having it, actually getting the compliments I've had, and just the overall smell. Very, very good fragrance.
Alright, so this is the few we're talking about. There's Versace Homme, good one, fresh, clean scent. Swiss Army Classic, Victorian, because I see my phone's gonna die out. And then we're talking about the French Connection, United Kingdom, not the cuss word. And Joop, Night Flight. Honestly, of all these, this is my favorite. I like this one. I'm gonna have to find it. Hopefully they just continue making it. But again, if you see the Elite's coffee, I guarantee you'll like it. The first, like I said, this one right here, the FCUK, it's alright. Not my personal favorite, but all these other threes, this one for sure. If you see this, you'll love it. You will love it. And again, man, Harris from House of Aromas, my cousin Josh. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Again, House of Aromas. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. All right, we gotta stay blessed.